I'm Magda from Cardiff Volunteer Centre, and we are here today to talk to some volunteers of FareShare Cymru, and we are very excited to have this opportunity today.
Hi, my name is Phil Pinder. I'm the Volunteering and Employability Coordinator here at FareShare Cymru. We could not function without volunteers. We have probably about 9 volunteers for each staff member, and those volunteers really run the place. We couldn't function without them.
My name's Fion Wharton. We're at FareShare Cymru at the warehouse, and I'm a volunteer here, and I generally work packing crates to take out on the vans to various charities.
C3FC has always been absolutely brilliant in supporting us, and is a great conduit for volunteers and matching us with people who are looking to build their experience in our kind of sector. The major thing is to get the message out there that we're here and that we need support, and that support is ongoing.
I'm Tricia Lowe, and we're at FareShare Cymru, and I work here as an assistant admin. Help with some filing or some tasks, but mostly I tend to do recipes and food leaflets for FareShare that they can send out to the users.
So my name is Rhys Thomas. We are here at the FareShare warehouse. They can help you with employment skills, communication skills. You can do costs and dealing with food and so on.
My name is Howard. I work here and generally do everything. So I drive the vans, drive the forklift, pick orders, everything.
But what we like to see as well is volunteers move on, maybe to paid employment, maybe to the next thing.
My name is Matthew. We're here in FareShare Cardiff, and my role is assistant manager at the moment. I've been volunteering for FareShare for 8.5 years, and then I managed to get the job.
And that fills gaps, and it's great to be able to fill those gaps through help with from C3FC. We have regular volunteer thank you events. We do that, and generally we like to think that we work all together as a team, volunteers and staff, and we try and have a good time and just make it a nice place to be and a nice supportive place to be.